Oh, hello all. Just another purchase. Just want to share with you. Got these off one of the social media websites. Yeah, bit risky, I suppose. All right, let's have a look. I think we paid around about $500 for this GEB model. Oh, look, it comes with a manual. Oh, the original mic, and it looks like it's got the rare D-shape holder. All right, that's all really nice. The mic, the bracket. Power cable. It's been cut and spliced. Radio. It's all in its packet. Oh, let's get this out. Oh, look, it's missing a knob. What's all of this? The meter. What's going on with the meter and the case? Oh no, I've been done again. Let's get the packaging out of the way. Look, no case screws. Oh, what's all of that? Oh. The meter. Oh, it's not even together. All the screws are out. Looks like I bought yet another parts radio. Yeah, looks like another 25-30 hours I've got to waste, and then people expect me to sell them for $300 each and then ridicule me on social media.